What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Hummuh, and this is my old POS truck. This is my CTS, my wife's CTS V1, and this is my C5 Corvette with 300,000 miles on it.
You're practicing that for later, right?
Yeah. So a couple days ago, I got an email sent to me from Harbor Freight, and Harbor Freight said, "Hey, sir, we have in our records that you may have purchased jack stands from us, and they are recalled for not working. So if you still have them, please bring it back to us, and we will give you all your money back." And they gave me a number in the email. If your jack stand has this number on it, then they are recalled and they're bad. And sure as heck, those are my jack stands that I've been using religiously for the past 3 years. So I guess the actual issue with why they're being recalled is because of this hole punch spot on the side. I guess in China or whatever, they didn't have the exact measurements of where they needed to be. So they can be farther spaced out this way and be barely hanging on by a thread, and then if a little weight move happens, then it collapses. The other recall that I've seen is the little notches are not as deep as they should be. Funny story though, when I got that email, my truck is currently actually using one of the jack stands. Truck's water pump went out. It's over here on the chair. Here we go. I think it's a Focus ST. I'm not. Huh? I've got a family in here. We're a hell attraction. Yeah.
It's green.
So yeah, the truck's water pump went out, and we're in the process of fixing that. Or I am, because my wife doesn't help me. But guys, guess what? I turned 1 year older than I am now, and my wife got me some.
Oh wait, your wife doesn't help you. I should probably go back inside then, huh?
Oh, go back.
Here, take the camera.
No, please come back.
Take the camera.
Please come back. But anyways, my wife got me some cool gifts, like this fancy magnet light and this cool tool thing that you put it in there, and you're supposed to be able to twist and loosen bolts with it, with that thing. And
I got you all the knickknacks. I got you these shorts.
You got me these shorts, and you got me freaking lightsaber. Come on. You got me lightsaber chopsticks. Like
those were a must.
Holy crap. Look how, oh my gosh, that's fantastic. Wow.
May the fourth be with you.
May the 14th be with you. Oh yeah. And my little sister gave me the best present of all. May the happy birthday be with you. Check out those spinners and that wing. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, also our town lit on fire.
No, not our town.
Well, that's just what I want.
Don't be so dramatic.
A portion of our city lit on fire.
We had a fire in the middle of our town.
We had a fire in the middle of our town. We got fire. We're here before. We're here before the firefighters. Oh yeah, see, look, there's a firefighter waving everybody down, telling them to keep going. Yeah. They're gonna go through there. Oh wait, no, they're just waving where the fire truck needs to go. Oh. Are those flames already gone? Oh yeah, those flames are already gone. Wow.
Yeah. Oh, hi,
Ben. Whoa! What the crap? What's up, noobs?
You guys saw this on your way home too? Yeah.
We got Utah's finest, fighting the fire. Oh, and also turn around, look at this. Do you notice anything missing?
Am I? Oh.
Do you notice that anything's gone? Yeah, we sold the other half of our gym. Goodbye, Jim. See you later. We had lots of good times. You will be missed.
For how much?
So, originally, I listed my entire gym set that I bought for $200 for $5,000 on Facebook Marketplace in K.
Okay.
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 So I listed it for $5,000, and I was like, okay. And somebody offered me $2,500 for just the dumbbells, and I was like, all right. So I sold those, and I was like, all right, sweet profit. I'll hold on to that. Then somebody offered me $3,000 for the rest of it, and I was like, fine, whatever. And so, wait, no, dang it, no, they didn't buy it for 25. They bought it for 23. $5,100 of straight profit off selling that home gym, and I'm really happy about that. So I also saw this cool ass Tahoe. Yo, look at this Tahoe. This thing's so sick. Oh my gosh. Upgraded mirrors. Oh my gosh, it's so clean. I want one of these so bad. Gosh, why am I lifting my Corvette? I should just get one of these and lift it. So sick. That was cool.
Babe, this is sad. Our lives are boring right now.
My vibes?
Hey, no, our lives. But hey, we have a surprise.
Yeah.
Here. Yeah.
Do you want one? Yeah? Do you want that one? If you want it, you can grab it. But you have to grab it. Okay, go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Which one? Which one? Which one you gonna grab? None? Okay.
So big.
Tune in, guys, because we got a surprise next video. It's gonna be a good surprise. It's gonna be the biggest purchase of my entire life up to this point. And I'm really excited. Like,
Stoked.
really excited. And I think Clara is too. And you guys should be, because more
It means good things.
happens. It means I can do stuff.
It means good things for
Because
the channel.
with this last video. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Please come back. Like, please. Okay, see you later. Bye.
Now, look at this truck.